So mining engineering is the extraction of minerals from the ground, basically. If it can't be grown, it has to be mined.
Designing, planning, and executing, bringing all the different aspects of mining together.
Exploration and the feasibility of projects, the production side of an active mining project. And it could also be on the closure side, so you could be dealing with reclamation planning. We start with drilling. So we get the drill holes and we basically connect the dots between them and try and determine how much valuable commodity is there. We make a plan to mine it in what we believe will be the most economic way. And finally, we end with the reclamation process and closure.
You have so much opportunity to do more than just one specific job. I never wake up not wanting to go to work.
Getting to be outside and work with explosions.
From design and planning to justification to the execution to the final parts of it, including reclamation.
New equipment being developed, better, more efficient equipment. I've heard people say, engineers that I've worked with, that mining engineering is an art form. You gotta make money really is the number one thing, but when it comes to designing the mines and moving your equipment around and stuff like that, there's really nothing set in stone.
We use design software. Like you can see on the monitor here, they take what we do, the surfaces and the designs, we load those onto the GPS of the shovels, and then they follow the surface we create.
Better the equipment and better the technology gets, the more innovative you can be in extracting the ore.
Biggest,
Largest,
massive,
Insane.
Bigger.
You could park 2 buses in there. It's 10 Volkswagen Beetles would fit in that bucket.
400-ton haul trucks, the biggest haul trucks in the world out here. And
it's amazing to drive through the mine pit and see the size of these 3-story houses on wheels.
It's kind of mind-boggling when you're out there. You don't really realize it, like I said, until you get nice and close to it. Pretty amazing stuff.
Mining is a huge part of our everyday lives. And lots of people don't realize it, but it's a part of everything.
The environmental side, the social aspect of it, there's cultural things. I even studied the cultural impact of mining in just our society, some courses in school with that.
It is really, I would argue, the backbone of, certainly the Canadian economy. If you looked at the resource sector completely, minerals, mining, oil and gas are really what's driving it and keeping us as forward moving as we are. There are a lot of benefits that come, not to mention the taxes and royalties and all of that contribution that goes to governments that enables us to pay for things like this beautiful university and the hospitals and the schools and everything else that we enjoy in our society.
The program at the University of Alberta in mining engineering is highly unique in that we follow a scenario-based learning format. All of the professors are also consultants in the industry, and so we're able to bring a high industry focus to the classroom.
When people see that you're from the U of A, I think they have a respect for you.
Our mining profs are well known, so they know lots and are able to bring in different people.
Everything they teach in class is applied in real life.
It's a small group, but we stand out on campus. We do a lot of activities together. It's pretty close-knit.
Most of our professors have worked in the industry, so they know what's going on out there, so they bring that to the classroom and they prepare us well for it.
Here today, it's one of the largest programs probably in the world in terms of mining engineering graduates, with 40 to 50 grads a year coming out of the program.
You're almost guaranteed a job coming out of university.
The mining engineering program at the U of A is something else.